So what should we have? This one. I don't, because I know you have to tell me about it. Chef is gonna. Background music. Thank you.
And 3.
Okay, let me take you with me today at the Ramadan. Let's go. This is really nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I did not expect that. Where did you get it from?
That's my dad's.
Which one? The black one?
The long one. That's my father.
But you said he used to be big.
Yeah, he used to be big, and then
So
now
then maybe he's not.
But I
keeping
think
me.
that one is a bit shorter than you because you're tall,
Yeah.
and that is his size, and then you're like more taller than him. We passed by
Never
this
seen these ones.
No, we don't.
Menara, Tun, Razak.
Yes. We passed by
Never
a
seen
lot.
these ones.
I think because
No,
by the
but-
time we pass, it's during the night, so you can't see much.
Yeah. The buildings here are so nice. They're so nice. So tall. So new. Everything is so new. I just found out that actually TRX was built 4 years ago. Was finished.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
Wow, that's insane.
Yeah.
How long did it take them to build?
5 years. Look at the outside.
In my country, probably will take 50
There you go.
to build such a building.
Is it a building now?
Oh, yeah, the Highland.
Yeah, the Highland, Genting Highland.
Oh, and they have a casino and stuff
Yes,
like that.
yes. We're all
But it's a
in
different
for-
city altogether.
Yeah. Just on the
It's-
top of the hill.
It's a good place to go.
Mostly it's like resort, theme park,
Oh,
casino,
okay.
golfing. It's
How far is it from here? I cannot see.
1 hour 45 minutes drive. Kak, mana pergi Shell macam mana? Sana? Okay. We'll take you earlier actually around 3. Sorry.
Smells so good.
Yes, grilled chicken.
You want it?
Oh no. I want to thank you earlier that no,
Why?
this is a local.
Oh, Western Zone, no. Ah, but they can also see I'm Westerner. First of all, I'm holding a phone pointed at them.
Okay.
maybe actually if I did not hold the phone, they would not realize I'm Western. I have the beard, everything.
But you doesn't look like...
I don't look like a European, I know.
Yeah, you look like Arabs.
I look like Arab, yeah.
Even my stepmom said that at the first.
Well, I told you, if I leave the beard on, if I just put the phone down, I can blend in. He's making you, he's asking you to go.
Sabo orang bang. Orang is people. He was like forcing me to be in front. It's like people just like, you know, coming in front of me. How can I feel love?
This is really nice. Now, this is where you have to bring me.
I'm taking you now.
To make me happy.
I'm taking you now, Alex.
Yeah.
This is sick. My dad has motorbike. Why I don't even think? Not that we can go by motorbikes.
Well, you have motorbike.
My dad have it.
Sunset's soon.
Yeah. It's like 1 hour before. Oh wow, like stop.
What?
How you fit them?
Huh?
Oh shit. Because they don't even look at like all this fucking. They just like. Welcome to Malaysia.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
They know that you're a foreigner.
They know because I'm holding like who's filming.
That's true.
If I was not filming,
That's funny.
if I knew a few words in Malaysia, like how are you, brother, or something like that. I'm filming myself.
Oh, yeah? No, it's locked.
That's the bike. That one there.
We're going around the corner there.
Yeah?
Because it's 20 minutes before the breakfast.
Okay.
So we just get some. Okay.
Still. So I'm showing the clothes.
All
We'll
right.
talk anyways. Maybe put some music.
Okay.
Don't put the Campbell boy.
No, I'm not. All right,
Okay.
cool.
So what should we have? This one.
What you
I'm
have?
actually asking you now.
Hmm.
Don't come that close so they can see.
No.
This is what,
Okay.
This is what it matters, not me. We're gonna have this. Which one should I have? I'm asking you.
I'd like to see you with that one
This
first. Yeah.
This
But
is-
just try first.
okay, this.
And then if it's not fit, we can. Or if it's not right, you
I like
can.
this one because it's long.
I know. Well, I want to
Then-
see the traditional
then
one
also I should
first.
have had- oh, this is traditional.
That is traditional, and this is more like Arab's fusion.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I should have had some like flip flops that they wear. No, like I have.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's
I have
true.
white socks and I have the shoes.
I think they have downstairs. We can borrow if they have it.
No, it's okay. I can still
Alright.
take the shoes. Like,
Alright.
but then they will see. They will look at my feet and say, "No, this guy is an imposter. We know that." Okay, I'm gonna change. So that doesn't go on YouTube. What should I do?
And put your tea.
For TikTok, I don't know how to behave because I know you're putting music.
Yeah,
so
just
then
like that. Just. Come, show me.
Show you what? Well, it's not tuned. I don't know how to tune it without the tuner. For this one, you have to put a background music. Let's go, brother.
Turn right.
Huh?
Right. Just go straight on.
Just testing the brakes just to make sure they work. Okay, so I was thinking this guy is going on the wrong side. It feels so wrong to go on the left side. But yeah, we can use it. Let's go. Yeah, we're not gonna let that guy pass by us. Straight, huh?
Yeah, straight on.
The brakes don't work that well.
Yeah.
I just realized now.
So just slow down. This is just not too fast.
Yeah,
Just
but I have
chill.
to blend in. I cannot slow down. They will know. They will realize this guy doesn't even know how to drive a bike. And actually, I haven't drove a bike since I was 16. I told you I drive it since 16, but that's when I stopped the road.
You want to try sugar cane? Have you tried it, sugar cane?
I did before, but not in Malaysia. Yeah.
It's good.
No, come on.
Naik kecil satu?
Sure. Take it.
Got a sugar cane.
Thank you. Sugar cane.
That's all fried ones. Let's put that. And all the fried foods.
Yeah. It's interesting. What's that? This is boiling water?
Yeah, it's boiling water. So they cooked it with the boiled water.
What was this one?
RM21.
Boleh? Nak ikut apa?
Sana.
Take from me. Yeah. Hey.
There you go. That. Okay.
Don't want to think that I'm taking things. Huh?
This is more better.
Yeah, it's good. It smells so nice. Look at the kids, 2 kids on the bike.
Yeah. He's crying.
Why is crying?
Maybe he wants to buy something,
Never
but
know.
the mom doesn't allow him.
Some sweets, I suppose.
Maybe some dessert.
Yeah.
I'm so thirsty.
So fast. I'm not drinking this until we get home.
Okay.
noodles again. This is noodles.
Yeah, flat rice noodles.
Flat rice noodles. What is this?
Spinach, water spinach. Water spinach.
Water spinach?
Yeah, it usually mainly in Southeast Asia. You couldn't find it. Why is it? I'll put it.
Huh?
I don't know. We have to find out.
This one.
I don't know. Maybe left or right. I'm not sure. I'm not sure which one. Maybe.
Yeah. That's nice.
Maybe on the left side? Okay. No?
But this one?
Yeah. Try to
No,
press it, no?
Signalize.
Maybe?
No, maybe it's broken. We greet the neighbors, I guess. Can we just say otherwise? We use our mouth. Beep beep. Nice guy. Let's go.
Oops.
Show me a place, one.
Left. Right, let me turn it off. Enough.